everyone. What's up, guys? It's your boy.
Matcha love.
We're doing a double upload. I'm Masters, and we're going to be playing Ultimate Chicken Wars. This game's great. I hate other people having fun in this game. I like it when only I have fun. So the video is going to be kind of a shitpost.
Watch his best videos so far.
There's gonna be a shit post, and then we're gonna do a peak video tomorrow. Alright, let's get the goons here. Alright, you guys are ready, guys, and if you don't know,
This music is so good.
basically you just it's a platforming party game where if you can't complete the level, every level you have to get new items to build the level. So, yeah. This is gonna be great, but it's gonna be awful. It's for
Also, I'm the best player.
Also, yeah, EJ is a fucking stinky to like sweat because he's on a controller and he's
Yeah, whatever, nigga.
Correct. No one can hear us, I don't think, but what's up, y'all? It's
up?
Asura again.
I mean,
You know.
if you guys,
The fan favorite, by the way. No, the fan favorite is Joel. Can't lie.
Yeah, well, I'm the
No
fan
Blaze.
favorite.
No Blaze. He's definitely the fan favorite.
this is my
I don't care. It's
Nobody
he's
likes
like-
the main
he's like-
game. People don't usually
he's
like the main
he's like
character.
exactly. He's like Puffer to Smitty. He's like
Yeah.
Droid to Smitty. Alright, I'll be right back. No, I'm already leaving. Edit this out, bro. I'm gonna go get a snack.
We just start without him.
Wait, what?
Yo, rooftops. Let's do rooftops. It looks fun. Oh yeah, I was gonna start without him, dude.
Yeah.
Okay.
You do have to wait for a second. So okay, so viewers, how have your day been today? Mine's been good. I played Lethal Company for 2.5 hours straight, and then didn't edit that. I tried to, but I just didn't. So yeah, it was gonna be great.
I went to the store earlier and I saw a crackhead trying to steal some and police got involved and it was crazy.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, that's pretty normal for your neighborhood.
And then I gotta do another video tomorrow. Dude, usually I do like so long without posting. Dude, I'm gonna do 3 videos back to back.
Yeah, because we're on that grind, bro. Yeah, can AJ fucking get back here? Okay. Alright.
For everything that's holy. This is kind of a
How are you?
Kind of a filler video for the until peak tomorrow. But do watch the Lethal Company video. That shit's
Yeah, it's... God fucking damn it. Alright, so he got the insta win. Joel immediately fell off. Yo, playing this game with a keyboard and mouse was fucking slug.
Oh yeah, it does. It's so hard.
It sucks balls.
It's so hard. I guess I just use her more so.
I mean, I think that's what broke niggas who can't get a controller would say.
Your PC runs on.
Isn't a keyboard what?
Hey, yo, didn't you ask me for a controller earlier, nigga?
No.
Yeah, you did a couple months ago. Like, start of summer. Alright, shit.
So I got DC. We'll probably restart. I'm not gonna cut that out. Cause I don't know how to fucking dog.
I mean, I'm still gonna win with anything.
Oh, okay. So Asura is back.
Alright, I'm back.
Alright, we're gonna restart. Just cut this out. Just cut this out.
Sorry, I was helping my sister with the movie, and then I also got Ruffles. Yeah.
Whoa, I love Ruffles.
Okay, we're not sponsored. We're not sponsored.
Why is Frank floating in the fucking air on my screen?
This video is sponsored by Ruffles.
We're not sponsored.
No, it's not. It's sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends, nigga.
We're not sponsored. I actually hate Ruffles. I would never eat a Ruffles.
What?
But I'm sponsored by
You
Ruffles.
should like
so-
give me a sponsor.
You
literally
have a
playing as a
spot.
chicken,
Easy,
bro.
easy. I have five subscribers. Which I get subscribers anytime soon.
Alright, what we're playing, what level we're playing, because we're just running around right now.
We're gonna rerun the rooftop.
Alright. Invite me.
Maybe the video after Peak will be Friends vs. Friends, which is one of my favorite games of all time. That is my sweat game.
Friends
I love that.
versus friends.
That game is, if the Peak video does well, we'll do a Friends vs. Friends video. Like 15 views.
Mhm.
Friends vs. Friends.
If the coon is taken from me one more time, I'm gonna kill someone.
Do it.
You gotta be a little faster. I'm shaking my ass.
Hey, shut the fuck up, nigga.
Yo, EJ, kill yourself.
Yo, I hope you fucking die, nigga.
Give me that. Ah.
Ew, why does my guy look
Ooh.
like that?
AFK track.
EJ, what? EJ, that doesn't work like that.
That's not even a good AFK check, but
I don't really care, nigga.
It doesn't damage you.
It doesn't? Yes, it does.
It doesn't.
Just don't fucking. Yeah, it does.
It throws paper airplanes. That's it. It's just a
It does hit you. I'm putting out my soul, bro. That it hits you.
What?
Balls deep was alright.
Oh my god.
This video is sponsored by DG.
I love this map already.
Again, shit pose.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a couple rounds, or we're gonna call it.
No, what?
I can't do
We're playing this for a while.
Yeah,
We're not doing 2 hours again. Like dead ass.
We can do like an hour long video. 2 hours.
Crap.
2 hours.
And Joel just immediately got slimed out by my trap.
Oh my god.
200 IQ right there, nigga.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm the GOAT. I'm the GOAT. I'm the GOAT. This video is sponsored by Ruffles.
This video isn't sponsored. This video isn't sponsored.
Yo.
This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow
We're not
Legends!
sponsored. I'm not plugging unless I get money.
Okay, this video is sponsored.
And my video's not sponsored.
Hey, EJ.
This video is
Oh, yeah.
sponsored. This video is sponsored by Ultimate Chicken Horse. Hey, you're free. I'll be
Dude. Okay.
Yeah, no free.
Okay, this is fucking bitch, bro. Oh my god.
What?
Only a filthy fucking mouse and keyboard player would do some shit like that.
Alright, Joel.
You're the fan least favorite.
Ah.
Me?
No.
Who?
EJ.
Bro, you're saying that as the main character, bro. Nobody likes the main character. Yeah,
What?
right.
Turn off.
He literally touched
I didn't know there was wood. I didn't know there was wood. You know what? You know what?
Yo.
Video sponsored by Ruffles. Video sponsored by Ruffles.
He literally touched the fucking. Yo, you're so. If you delete anything, like, actually, you're so weird. You delete anything. Like, I know that. That's what makes it hard, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Hey, yo.
On God, we're not sponsored.
I can't put it right there.
No,
Oh my God.
That's air, buddy.
Okay.
Oh my god. I didn't know the video was sponsored by Gabe Up. Look at this BS.
That's not good.
Doom.
Yo, yeah.
Oh my god.
I got slimed up on my own trap.
All right, mine too.
Oh shit.
Kill yourself. Editor, kill Joel.
I would never die.
Jesus Christ, don't fucking suck.
Oh
Rewind
my.
that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna learn how to edit just so rewind it.
Yo, chill, bro. Yo, chill.
21 goals. 21 goals.
I think that makes it easier. That Calvin full is actually so gay. I keep thinking collision's on because of the trauma you gave me, nigga. Oh, you're so weird. You're so weird. You're fucking weird. Whoever put that shit there, you're fucking weird.
Yo, I keep over jumping, bro.
You're just taking him by the pulse, huh?
All right, bro.
Y'all hate Fun Boy and or Lindsay.
I'm thinking. Nigga, you just...
There goes all the fun.
Well, now it's impossible, nigga. Like, the fuck are you doing?
Y'all hate any form of joy, Whimsy, or joy.
What was the
You said
what was the
Joyce
plan there? Like, what was the end goal? Like, it's literally just not possible anymore.
Just end goals is get sponsored by
Oh my fucking god, bro.
This video is sponsored by Ruffles.
We're not sponsored.
All right. Wait. Don't take it. Don't take it. Ah.
Taking it from the front.
Yo.
Frito Lay.
Fade away.
Oh shit.
Fade away.
There's like nothing to explode. Like, I'm gonna cry.
Cry about it. Cry about it in the comment section. Viewers, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Make way, everybody, for the goat.
Oh my god, everybody's just stealing my tech. That makes me
Do it for the
proud.
clip. Do it for the clip. Do it for the clip.
Free
Kill
bird.
yourself for the clip, dude.
Yeah.
Infinite stamina. Oh my.
He got slimed out.
Doing all that for no reason. No, I took the martini!
AJ, you gotta do the AFK track. You're actually a legend.
What did he do?
I can't. Everything's blocked. There we go.
This is just a this is a box of death, bro. Imagine we had the explosion code on. That'd be fucking crazy.
Oh, wait, that's a great idea. Thanks.
Oh wait, hold on. Ah. All right, watch and learn, guys.
Go ahead, chat. Us.
Oh, I'm in lag.
Yeah,
I'm in lag.
playing that thing. No, you're
Hey, I got
so.
you.
This is sponsored by Ruffles. This is sponsored by Ruffles.
No, where's the
Ruffles is
bomb?
sponsoring
Where's
this.
the bomb?
Alright. If you win, we're sponsored.
Well, that's not happening.
I'm not trying. Isn't Ruffles owned by like Coca-Cola or something?
I fucked up. I messed up. God damn it. Okay, now you're just gay. Now you're just like actually fucking gay.
For my gay audience out there, we love
No, we don't.
I don't know.
Not clankers.
Fucking hate clankers.
No way.
No, fuck clankers. No, fuck them clankers.
Okay, I got this. I'm gonna show you guys again. Who to go? Who to go? Who to go? What?
Hey, you dead.
Well, right.
Fucking grazed the arrow too.
Where's my nutsack?
Please give me a bomb. Okay.
What do we need bombs for when we got money?
Oh, you're so weird. You're weird, nigga. Okay,
No,
bro.
and-
No, no! I'm alive.
Oh, it's a
I'm
massacre.
still standing.
And
No!
he's dead.
I died to my own trap. I died to my own fucking trap. Please give me a bomb. Fucking bitch.
Decisions.
Oh yeah, this is so complicated, dude. I wonder which one I should pick.
Bomba kladda, ja. That was some petty bitch. What did Ditchio?
AJ, like any no, bro.
Ah, damn.
And if you want to play this level, we'll put the link up.
Go on. Oh my god, I'm cooked. I'm flamed. I'm gonna be eaten alive.
Yes.
No, no,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
I died in my own trap again.
Wait, no, that's not. That's not legit. We're not sponsored. We're not
No, 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 no.
Rebels.
Where's my
Yay, you're fucking gay.
We're not sponsored. I said if AJ
I
was
died to
sponsored.
my own fucking trap. We cannot be for real.
Alright,
Bro,
first round.
I made my own level too hard.
First of three
This round is
wins,
Joel's.
wins the whole video. First round goes to Joel.
Waterfall, waterfall.
Waterfall. Alright.
Let's do waterfall.
Waterfall with the wizards. I got you.
Fuck.
You're so weird, bro. You're so fucking weird.
AJ, you said you missed collision. You said you wanted it.
Yeah, and that's what makes it bad. Yo, fuck you, AJ.
What did I do?
What did AJ do?
Oh, that pissed me off, bro.
What the fuck, man?
What the story?
So how are we supposed to like?
No, no, no.
Just gotta-
What, bro? What the hell was?
Nobody's having fun, bro. Nobody's having fun, bro. Frankie, you're a like legit hater in this game. I don't want to hear. Why am I taking bomb? Why am I taking?
I don't know, man. You make me.
Why am I taking bomb? Why am I taking bomb? I'm fucking low. Why do I need a bomb? Why do I need a bomb?
You hate anything
Bruh.
with Jordan. Yeah, yeah. So much balls. So much Oh, he's back. Juke. Oh, this again ain't got moves. He can't fly. He ain't got no jumps. Hops.
Kill yourself.
Oh.
I'm literally balling on you. The fuck you mean?
Oh, the chicken ain't got no hops. Michael Jordan. Oh, no hops. No hops.
This video was not sponsored by Ruffles.
I literally have the best movement, and you know it, nigga.
Oh my god. This kid-
Any day now, bro. Any day now.
Video is sponsored.
It is not. Sponsor, I can say this. EDP 445 was right.
We're not sponsored by EDP.
Whoa.
We are not sponsored by
We're
EDP.
sponsored by
Kelly.
EDP.
We are not sponsored by EDP.
We- Did EJ just say we are R. Kelly?
We are not R. Kelly.
I said free R. Kelly.
You're smart.
Oh my god.
Can we like
You know what?
actually like do
I will
anything
ruin the
before
fun.
we use bombs? Like, please, bro. What the fuck are we doing, bro?
I don't need it.
Joel, you're so stupid. Like,
No shit.
Idiot. I'm gamer.
I will never jump for it.
Look at this.
yo, Frankie.
You do not have the high
Frankie, if
ground.
you die, you're gay. Frankie, if you die, you're gay.
I will post screenshots in my comments.
You can't post screenshots in YouTube, dude. Are you dumb?
I will edit a screenshot into the video.
This video is sponsored by Ruffles.
Video's
If you
not
do that, you're weird.
sponsored by
Oh my god, dude.
EJ.
Oh my god, it's Keys! We're recording right now.
I already kicked him. In
He already
the
left.
middle of
He already left
YouTubing, we
it.
cannot have him there. No, I kicked him. No!
Oh, didn't it?
EJ, we're done. EJ, we're done. EJ, I'm never talking to you again.
I ain't even do that. I ain't even do that. Frankie did that. Yo, somebody pushed me off, nigga.
You guys suck. You guys suck. You guys suck.
Yo, Frankie, if you missed your day,
No.
you're so trash.
Yo.
You're so trash. You're so
Yo,
trash.
You die first. EJ, you're literally a cock. Shut up.
Yo, you're trash, nigga.
You're
You
literally
don't have a
a
move.
cock.
You're not a movement demon like me, nigga.
If you pick the bomb up,
Yes,
we're
you
we're
can't-
fighting,
You can't
bro.
even say shit.
You pay bomb. Yo, shut up. You're a cock.
360 what? Yo, I'm literally like the greatest food ever created, yo. Have some respect on my fucking name.
EJ, you're proud of
Ole,
this.
bro.
I mean, I taste good. Whoa, that was crazy.
Yeah.
I bet.
Whoa, that was. AJ pushed me.
This might be my best segment yet. Whoever put that flower there, you're a joke.
Thank you.
Bomb. Did we duplicated it, didn't
Ah,
we?
take it first.
We duplicated it. We did it.
Nah, we didn't.
Nigga, we
No,
can't
we
beat that
didn't.
ass.
Look at these valves like rockets.
Okay. Hold up.
There ain't none of you would do
I can
this
make this
shit
work.
this well, boy. Either you don't, that's the true question, dude. Doesn't matter if you act.
Guys, okay, so so awesome. I'm going first. Stop pushing me, nigga. Stop pushing me, bro.
It's the
You're fucking me over.
stupid Calit.
Stop pushing me, nigga.
Did I just get
Yeah, that's a thing.
I got
my
crushed.
thighs?
Pat on your back as you go out.
Frankie, if you die from that, you're gay.
I didn't die from that. Yo, EJ, you died to
Okay,
get
good.
crushed.
Yeah, and I was the first one daring to go, nigga. So shit, I don't want to hear shit.
EJ.
The video is
Senna.
sponsored by Rosa Parks.
He doesn't have a company to sponsor us.
The bus driver. The bus company.
You're getting
I wonder what happened to that bus driver. I wonder what happened to that bus driver, honestly.
probably dead.
Oh yeah, he's dead. Put in a pack.
No, he probably just died.
Yeah, I forgot. Okay, I didn't see those stairs, so I don't know.
Oh,
So I don't know. Bro.
yes.
I think he's still out there personally.
Yes.
Oh, Joel, you're so weird.
You know what we have to do? We have to extend the video length.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
The video's only 24 minutes. We need to stretch this video out by a solid 15 minutes, so lock the fuck in.
Wait, I gotta line this up. Perfect.
Alright, now, guys, let me go first.
I lined it up perfect. Watch. Airplane.
Frankie, get the fuck
Come
back,
through.
nigga.
Yeah.
Your friend, shut your bitch ass up.
I hate this level so much.
You made the level. You made it.
Who put a black hole there, bro?
I did.
Oh my god.
I think the black hole is always will be the best side.
Watch. Us? Oh, what?
So,
Watch what?
nice one. Nice one.
Damn, I got
a pat on your back too.
No, you didn't get a pat on the back. You got rocked. I love it when I have pre-recorded videos. Also, guys, we are sponsored by Azerbaijan Technologies.
I guess.
I guess we are sponsored. You can buy their new pocket.
Yo, I can't move. Oh my.
I think the top should go first.
So, you should go first.
There are millions of
That's what you're saying.
Yeah, yo, EJ, you are the... EJ, you are your favorite food. Get out of here.
Nah, I think...
You are the least valuable.
Nigga, you fucking suck at this game!
EJ, you are the least valuable to the East. You should go first.
Hey, listen, man, chickens are mad important to
The humans, but not to the ecosystem.
Yeah, humans are still a part of the ecosystem.
Okay, yo.
Fucking nigga. You still die, nigga.
What? Is he a gamer? He's a gamer! I forgot the coin!
You forgot the coin, are you fucking dumb?
Hey, trap.
Alright, Joel.
There was a free coin, like, right there, dude.
Alright, if Joel wins again, we're gonna call it, because we said best of 3.
This shit is so gay, like...
EJ, you made the level, buddy.
I didn't make the level, nigga. I barely did anything.
EJ, we all got the same amount of blocks, bro.
Shut the fuck up, bro. Like, actually, you're pissing me off.
What did I do to you?
The audacity to push me, nigga. I don't know, you existing?
You push me.
Alright.
Oh.
Whoa.
How did AJ even do that? Like, I don't know what...
I don't even know, bro.
I don't know.
I'm almost
Like,
done with my
AJ,
ruffles.
how'd you
I'm about to
do that?
say this video is sponsored by Adolf Hitler.
No. That
That is the wrong way.
Alright, we gotta fucking watch. It just gotta win. It just gotta make it to the end.
So get rid of this.
No, and it's not even
Because we
it's
haven't
lit-
gotten
it's
any
literally-
bombs
it's
in
literally
years,
impossible.
and I'm tired.
We can't make it through here. We can't make it up here. It's literally impossible to do the level. All right.
Because and the game
Nice,
isn't giving
made
us
it
any
impossible.
bombs. Oh yeah, that's super easy to do. They do that every time. Only Frankie got balls that spiky.
I was just getting
Ah.
I think Joel, yeah. Oh, it's the last turn. Should we all just look in the Hey. Alright, AJ, you gotta win this.
Bomb this. Right here. This. Yes.
I bombed the black
Yes.
hole. The black
Yes.
hole.
Yes, no, not the black hole, not the black hole. The
black
spikes. Are you really gonna listen to your king? Yeah, that's way better. He's actually gonna listen. Thank you. He actually listened to me. You
I was
actually really-
thinking,
you actually
nigga. Like I was thinking, nigga. God damn. Not everything's all about Joel, nigga. I was trying to squeeze them both, too.
But this is impossible.
No, you're gonna find a way.
I can't let Joel win.
Move.
You.
Hold up, there's a way. There's a way.
No.
I see
no,
it.
No. No. No.
No, AJ has to make it to the end.
I gotta.
I see it. I
gotta
see
lock
it.
in.
I see it.
gotta
I
keep
see
up.
it.
I see the vision.
Rob, you're
I see the
at
vision.
it.
I see the vision. I see the vision.
You have to get the corn. AJ, no, EJ, leave the corn. Leave the corn for AJ.
Leave the coin. Leave the coin.
Oh.
EJ, you just gave Joel the win. How many points do you have? EJ, you just gave Joel the win.
What?
Did you try to do something? Yeah, you just gave Joel the win. Wait, no, AJ won. Let's go.
One.
Anyone? No, anyone.
I'm turning off.
Stupid a flower, bro.
Alright, last match for the day. Whoever wins it all. Nice. Whatever time we're watching this. Alright, what map do we want to do, boys? Everybody stand on the map that you want to pick. Everybody stand on the map.
Farm is so boring.
Pick a map.
I think it's gonna be old mansions.
Mine.
Type of.
Yeah, no,
Holy fucking Joel Glaze.
you can't say anything.
Oh, I can, nigga.
Oh yeah.
Are we trying to get the thing or no?
Didn't you literally just say he was
Hell
Aura,
no.
bro? Yeah. Bro,
I said it was Aura. Him jumping over a thumper.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah. It was. EJ, I would say it was that you had Aura if you jumped over a thumper. I didn't think you would, but. What? Who took that? Who took that?
Oh, you know what you have to do. You know what you have to implement.
Do it. No, Joel, do it. Put it over here. Put it over here. Put it over here. Joel, put it. Which way?
No, that's
Hold
lame,
up.
but
Oh, thank God Collision's not on, bro. I would actually lose my
Bro.
mind.
Dick, bro. Like... Oh my God.
Dying the same way is, like, actually insane.
Alright, last match of the day. Whoever wins it all. Yoink.
Why are we taking bombs? The match just started, dude. Like, it's like you're just wasting possible ways. You can make it even worse. I'm thinking.
oh
yeah,
yeah.
Sprite.
Ugh. What? Who put
Oh
this
wait,
on?
I made it easier. Okay, that's on me. I'm gonna remove that. I'll remove that. Oh, that doesn't kill you?
I told you it doesn't kill you. You're stupid. You didn't listen.
I fucking forgot. Okay.
Roll back to clip editor.
I mean, you're not a reliable source, so I don't really know. I mean, I know you said it. It's just like you're kind of not a reliable source. So.
Lob on schlob support.
All right. Shit.
You think you're
Yo, shut the fuck up, bro. Yo, bro, who's losing, by the way? Because I know damn well it's not me.
everybody else.
I thought this teleporter would do something.
Badly.
Oh, you need the other teleporter. You need the two halves.
Joel, just Joel.
The second half never come. Oh my god, cancel. Like I said, the N word. What?
What the fuck was that? I never thought that was ever gonna do anything.
Get to your crack. How many cracks are you gonna crack?
Damn it, I wanted that.
A, F, K, check. A, F, K, check. Hello. Sausage boy.
Wow. Wow.
You ain't got no green.
Oh my god, I'm doing the bleach meme.
Oh, I get it.
Yokoza.
I get it. You gotta put it over it, not inside of it. That's what she said.
Yeah, that's my fucking. Oh.
Hey, yo.
Why is there an upside down?
Kenny, that don't even make any.
Massacre. 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 Is
I
DJ
know
alive?
how
What?
say you are gonna lose. You're gonna lose this. Like I know you, nigga. I'm not even trying to hate you. You always come up on a way.
Why is he
I'm
still
not alive.
Yo, EJ is alive on my screen.
What?
DJ's
I'm
walking. Yeah, what
I'm
the
not
hell?
alive on my screen.
DJ's walking in place.
It's not thing because I'm on my screen, so it's not a lag
Hey.
thing.
EJ,
EJ.
turn off the cheats, bro. Turn off the double jumps, turn off the cheats.
Not cheating, bro. It's just. Listen, man. I might be a controller player, but I'm not cheating, guys.
You're walking when somebody shot you.
Right here, right now. Right here, right now, deadass.
Yeah, when you got.
Oh yeah, we're getting rid of
when
this.
You got killed by the hockey puck. You were still
Oh.
walking. You're still walking when you got killed by the hockey puck.
You can't be like on my live because I'm not lagging currently, and I didn't appear on my screen. How the fuck? AJ fucking oh shit, fucking jumped in the air like a fucking cartoon character.
Who put that honey there?
Me.
Is EJ the ultimate cock?
EJ
He
won.
loved it.
More rounds.
The ultimate girl.
I hate fun.
Me too.
Why would you do that? You made it easier. Why? Why would you do that? You made it easier.
You'll see.
Like, I'm actually confused. Like, why would you do that?
Gamer? Have sex?
In the alternate universe, but I guess.
Yo, EJ, I'm a chameleon. You're a cock.
I have to wait for the exact moment.
Yeah, I'm the greatest food ever fucking made.
EJ, you're proud of having.
This game relies on you.
Cock is the greatest food ever made? Hey, yo! Wait a minute, you just said cock is the best food ever made. Hey, yo!
EJ, EJ.
And I'm the ultimate cock.
You're the ultimate cock. Alright,
Yeah.
guys.
EJ is
I'm the
so
ultimate cock.
gay, bro.
He's the ultimate cock eater.
I'm the ultimate cock eater.
I should not filming our voices the whole time.
Alright, and we're gonna stop recording.
I'm the
in-
ultimate cock.
1, 2, buckle my. Okay, wait. You're at the Model Wire back, silver number
Yeah, but he not
clutch
even-
clay.